About Clayton. Clayton, KLY, is the native token of the Clayton blockchain, a public blockchain platform developed by GroundX, a subsidiary of Kakao. It is designed with a hybrid infrastructure that balances the features of both public and private blockchains. Clayton is optimized for enterprise-level use and offers businesses the ability to integrate blockchain technology in a scalable, secure, and user-friendly manner. Clayton is used to pay for transaction fees and serves as the base currency of the platform. Clayton Game Coin. Coin Overview. Clayton Airdrop revolves around its native cryptocurrency, $CL tokens. These tokens act as the main currency in the game and are crucial to the Clayton building process. Players earn $CL tokens by completing various in-game tasks, growing their population, and managing their CL resources. The tokens can be used for purchasing buildings, unlocking new features, and participating in special events. They are also tradable on cryptocurrency exchanges, making them valuable both inside and outside of the game. Use cases. The $CL token has several use cases within the game. Transaction fees. Clayton is used for paying transaction fees and gas costs within the Clayton ecosystem. Governance. Token holders can participate in governance decisions, including voting on key proposals for network upgrades and protocol changes. DeFi and dApps. Clayton Airdrop is integrated into decentralized finance (DeFi) applications, providing liquidity for decentralized exchanges, DEXs, lending platforms, and other decentralized applications. Staking. Users can stake their KLY tokens to earn rewards and secure the network. Tokenomics. Clayton follows a deflationary model with a capped total supply. The initial supply of CL was released through an initial coin offering, ICO, and subsequent allocations are distributed via staking rewards, developer incentives, and ecosystem grants.